A 73-year-old woman missed her flight, even though she followed every official rule. She arrived early, she prepared everything, she did what airports tell you to do, and that's exactly why she failed. Travelers over 65 lose an average of $847 per trip, not because of bad luck, but because airports quietly profit from confusion. And the last thing you'll hear in this video is the most important one you need to know before your next flight. Mistake number 1 is printing your boarding pass at home. It feels smart, but paper boarding passes don't update. Gates change, information changes, assistance requests disappear. That's how people end up at empty gates, walking long distances, already stressed before boarding. The fix is simple. Check in at the airport or use a mobile boarding pass so your information stays accurate. Mistake number 2 is refusing wheelchair assistance. Airports are huge, and pride can cost you your energy and sometimes your flight. Wheelchair service is free, and it's your legal right. You can walk when you want and ride when you need. Request it early and save your strength for the journey ahead. Mistake number 3 is arriving way too early. Old advice tells you to come hours ahead, but sitting around for too long only makes you tired and stressed. The better window is about 90 minutes before departure, enough time to move calmly without exhausting yourself before the flight. Mistake number 4 is wearing the wrong shoes. Boots and tight laces slow you down at security and increase the risk of falling. For many seniors, this moment becomes stressful and embarrassing. The fix is wearing slip-on shoes with good support, easy on, easy off, and much safer. Mistake number 5 is ignoring TSA pre-check. This isn't about speed, it's about comfort and dignity. Shoes stay on, belts stay on, laptops stay in your bag. For a small cost that lasts 5 years, airport security becomes simple and calm. Mistake number 6 is booking tight connections. Airlines focus on price, not how far you actually have to walk. 45 minutes between flights sounds possible, but often it's not. Give yourself at least 90 minutes for domestic flights. Saving a few dollars isn't worth losing an entire day. Mistake number 7 is packing medications in checked luggage. When bags are delayed or lost, this becomes a medical emergency. Always keep medications in your carry-on in original bottles. It's also smart to keep a small backup supply in your personal bag. Mistake number 8 is using heavy luggage. Old-style bags cause injuries more often than people realize. Dragging weight through long terminals puts strain on your back and shoulders. The fix is lightweight spinner luggage, under 8 pounds, with adjustable handles and smooth wheels. Mistake number 9 is not asking for hidden assistance programs. Airports offer escort services and special support, but they don't advertise them. Programs like TSA Cares can guide you through security with less stress. You just need to ask ahead of time. Mistake number 10 is not knowing your passenger rights. When flights are delayed or canceled, airlines often stay quiet and hope you won't ask. But you may be entitled to rebooking, meals, or even hotels. Knowing your rights protects your time and money. Mistake number 11 is carrying too much cash. Cash can be lost or stolen, and airport exchange rates are terrible. A credit card offers protection, tracking, and peace of mind. Carry only a small amount of cash for emergencies. And here is the most important mistake you need to know. Mistake number 12 is booking flights without asking for senior discounts. Many airlines offer unpublished senior fares, but they don't show them online. Calling the airline or senior travel services can save you hundreds of dollars per trip. This one step alone can completely change how expensive travel feels. Every mistake you heard today exists for one reason: confusion makes money. If you or someone you care about travels, this information can protect their health, energy, and wallet. Sharing knowledge like this helps others travel smarter and safer. And once you know these secrets, flying doesn't have to feel stressful anymore.